In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Microsoft Forms editable. Whether you're looking to collaborate on a project or just need a fresh set of eyes on your work, Microsoft Forms has got you covered with its easy-to-use sharing options. Let's dive right in and make your forms more dynamic and accessible to others. First and foremost, navigate to Microsoft Forms. This might seem like a straightforward step, but it's the gateway to all the productivity tools Microsoft has to offer, and Forms is no exception. Once there, you'll be greeted by a sign-in prompt. Go ahead and click on that. It's essential to sign into your account to access your forms and ensure all changes are saved and synced correctly across devices. After clicking sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This email address should be the one associated with your Microsoft account. Whether it's for personal use or tied to your organization, the correct email ensures you're accessing the right workspace. Once you've entered your email, the next step is to click on the Next button to proceed. Following your email, you'll need to enter your password. Remember, this is the key to your Microsoft account, so make sure you enter it correctly. If you've forgotten it, there's an option to reset your password, always a handy feature. Once your password is entered, you'll click Next again to get into your account. Now the fun begins. Upon successfully logging in, you'll be taken to the Forms dashboard. This is where all your forms live. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if it's your first visit. You'll see all the forms you've created previously, along with options to start a new form. But let's focus on the task at hand. You'll want to select a form that you'd like to make editable. Browse through your forms and choose one. If it's a new project, perhaps starting fresh with a new form would be best. However, for this tutorial, we'll assume you're editing an existing form. Once you've selected your form, look for the option to collaborate or duplicate. Today, we're focusing on sharing the form for collaboration. This is particularly useful if you're working as part of a team or need input from others. Clicking on this option will provide you with a link that you can share with your teammates or anyone you wish to view or edit the form. Sharing for collaboration allows others to add or modify questions, change form settings, or even analyze the responses. It's a fantastic way to work together on surveys, quizzes, or any data collection tool you're creating. Remember, when you share a form for collaboration, the people you share it with will need to have a Microsoft account to make edits. Be sure to communicate this requirement to avoid any confusion. Also, consider the permission levels you're comfortable with. Microsoft Forms allows you to set whether collaborators can only view or also edit the form, giving you control over how much influence others have on your project. And that's it. You've successfully made your Microsoft form editable and shareable for collaboration. This feature not only enhances the way you can work as a team, but also simplifies the process of collecting and managing information. To recap, we navigated to Microsoft Forms, signed in with our account, chose a form from the dashboard, and selected the option to share it for collaboration. It's a seamless process that opens up myriad possibilities for working together. So go ahead, share your form, and see how collaboration can bring new ideas and improvements to your project. Microsoft Forms is not just about collecting data, it's about working together to create, innovate, and achieve more. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your Microsoft Forms and other productivity tools.